Well, it is an honor to be here with such great guests to celebrate a tremendous occasion. I am the Majority Leader of the Senate, which, Governor, you could have told me is the worst job in the building. But it is an honor to be here, and it's an honor to stand alongside so many great individuals, Republicans and Democrats, rural, urban, folks who have come together to do something special, and that is the proper rebuilding of the I-70 Rocheport Bridge. You know, so often the things that get covered are moments where government doesn't work, and you have plenty of things to cover when it relates to that. But I think it's really important to note this process and how this came to be. We knew there was an issue. We knew that the I-70, the Rocheport Bridge, was going to be a problem. It has been an ongoing problem for years that was leading up to this point. Governor Parson comes in at a timely an important moment for the state and focuses on not only workforce development but also infrastructure, putting really a significant focus on us taking advantage, as Senator Blunt said, the moment and the geography that we have. You know, we had the bridge bill and the bonding bill in the legislature, and Senator Blunt, I am sorry I remember the night we passed that, and the bill was contingent upon us getting those federal dollars, and I was like, nobody call Senator Blunt tonight because he's probably not very happy with us. But it worked out, and I can't say enough about just the process and everybody working together. It wasn't easy. It's never easy to do things like this, but they are necessary, important, functional moments where you know, we'll look back 20 or 30 years from now and recognize the importance of this moment and this project and the other bridge projects that are coming from the bonding proposal. It really is a tremendous, just a win for our community. And I can't say enough about, you know, the city leadership and Mayor Treece and City Manager Glasscock and the City Council and Cooper County and Boone County, and everybody came together and just realized the importance. And so for it all to come together in the way that it has, it's just a tremendous honor to be a part of. And I look forward. It's going to be, my understanding is it's going to be built wide enough to hopefully facilitate when we actually get our act together on the rest of I-70 as well. I think that's something that's near and dear to a lot of our hearts as well. So thank you for the chance to be here. Thank you for the chance to speak. And it's a great honor to be able to serve Boone and Cooper counties. Thank you all.